What's up guys, I'm Camber, KB Tesla 1. Today we're going to be installing this trunk hatch liner protector. I got this from EVBase. It's going to show you how to do it real quick. It's going to be a super quick video. Should be really easy to do. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is going to be the liner itself. There's going to be a lot of kind of this 3M tape going around the edges. This is going to basically Velcro on to the carpet liner that you have. And again, this runs along all of the edges. You have a couple pieces here, and then you got one on the face. So the easiest way to kind of start all of this out is by getting these hole cutouts kind of lined up over the feet. And then you're gonna get this hatch part lined up over there. And then once you get all of that installed, you're going to kind of just check the alignment over here, make sure you get it as close to the edges as you can. If it sticks on the right or left side, just pull it out. Alright, so once you got that alignment good, all you're going to really do is just follow it along on each side. I would start again on the sides, would be the easiest. Make sure that's all lined up and pushed in. Come over here and do the same thing. Usually always just line up the corners to make life easy. Once you have all of that done, then you can go ahead and start working on the middle. You have to get the hatch light cut out for your trunk. Pop through right there. It's perfect alignment to everything. And then you're just gonna push everything into place. Now they do have this cutout over here. I asked EVBase about that, and apparently there's some models that have an emergency trunk release here. I guess they don't do that in the US. It's kind of annoying that there's this cutout here that's just not useful to anybody in the US, but it's there, and that's what its purpose is for, if you guys are wondering. But other than that, this will add some nice added protection to the hatch area in case you have some cargo in here from it going back and forth and hitting it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this product, I do have a 20% off discount code. Just use KB Tesla 1 and that'll get you 20% off anything on their website. If you guys have any questions, as always, just feel free to comment in the video below. Please follow me, like the video, subscribe to the channel, all of that good stuff. It's free, costs you nothing, but it helps me out a lot, and I would greatly appreciate it. Appreciate you all for watching. Hope you all have a great day.